if you're looking for a high performance, affordable router, then this AC1500 dual band RT-AC59U router by ASUS is the perfect one. So it lets you do fast gaming, HD video streaming, and browse the internet. And it comes with 4 gigabit LAN port, which gives you 10 times faster speed than 100 base T Ethernet connections. And if you are streaming with 2.4 gigahertz frequency, it speeds up to 600 megabits per second. And if you're using the 5 gigahertz frequency, then it gives you speeds of up to 867 megabits. That's indeed a great speed for this price. So about the router, it has 4 antennas which gives you wide coverage. So just in case you are having a large home, then surely you will need large coverage, and for that this router serves the very purpose. And it comes with this manual as well as the warranty card, as well as the router, a LAN cable, some connectors, and the adapter. So that is what it comes with. And it has 4 LAN ports, so it can be used for connecting different devices which you have. So for example, 4 laptops. And also if you want to extend your internet connection from another router, then you can just insert the LAN cable into the WAN port. So it will just extend the internet connection for you. So yeah, this is one of the best routers to buy if you are looking for an affordable buy, or else you can just buy some higher versions of the router of ASUS, which is a good manufacturer of routers.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.